All right, let's now add another data element to our purchase request process. Let's add request table or details, and this time I'll make you familiar with line item table that I use so often as well while designing a process at eFlow Designer. Right, so I developed a request table as data element. I just double click on it and I want to edit this table. I can do by adding colors from here. Let's add 4 colors. Maybe the first one will be material name and it will be alphanumeric, and maybe second will be quantity and I want it to be numeric. The size can be shorter, and another column can be unit price, and unit price will be of course numeric, and maybe this time sum, and sum will be numeric. Can maybe add comments here as well. It will be alphanumeric, right? So at this task form, this time I have another data element that I want to show, and maybe I want to show it just after project name and before document. Okay, I save it, I activate my process, I go to eFlow, I start another process. All right, so requester, date of request, project name, and this time I have here the request table. Okay, so let's go a little bit deeper at this table, line item table icon. At this request table, at my line item table data element, if I want to bring data from an external database, I'll show you how to do it. I again double click to request table. I go to edit table. This time I will select it as, let's say, pop-up select, and I go to another data source, Tiger, as I did while identifying the project name, and I write my SQL query here, select code name from logo 001 items. Okay, from this table I'll bring the material names. I say okay. I can also write the formula for sum here. The sum formula will be quantity multiplied by unit price, and it will be B multiplied by C. And if I want to show the result below at the user interface, I choose sum and I take it from D column. I say okay. I again save it and I activate the process. Let's go back to eFlow and check it if it works. All right, requester, date of request, request number, project names, and new line. Yes, it works. It's from my table, personal computer, to unit price, let's say 1000, and I said can make any comment. I can add another line, let's say this time calculator, I don't know, 10 with a unit price of 100, and I again say test, and the sum is calculated here. Right,